mom's potato salad. She always made it through my whole childhood basically, and I was always so happy when she was serving it. It's super light, it's super delicious, there's no mayonnaise in the potato salad. It's super easy for you to cook at home, so make sure to try it and make sure to stay until the very end of the video, because we are going to say who the winner is of our Ethereum giveaway challenge. And if you want to participate in those challenges, make sure to follow us on Instagram and of course on YouTube. And I mean, I can already say it now, one person who is commenting on this video is going to win a whole box of our self-made garlic pesto. It's basically wild garlic pesto. We foraged that in a forest. It's super delicious. You are going to love it. Make sure to stay until the very end. Let's dive straight into the potato salad, shall we?
The first step is obviously boiling your potatoes. I chose hard boiling potatoes because hard boiling potatoes are a little bit more stable after cooking for a while and you can cut them more easy. Another secret to boil your potatoes is to add a little bit of salt and leave the skin on, because the skin captures the flavor. Now you have to cut your bacon into decent sized pieces. Take off the skin bit because this is not going to feel nice in your mouth, and start slicing your bacon into nice similar sized bacon strips, which you can put in a bowl and set it aside to fry that later. The next step is to cut some onion. I chose 2 onions. Just dice them as fine as you can because we need them for the frying process later to start making the marinade.
Wow, that was strange.
Next ingredients are our gherkins or cornichons. It's just important that they are nice and crunchy, but you can take any cornichons you can find in the supermarket.
Get back to my dough.
Just do the same thing to the cornichons that you were doing to your onions, but don't mince them too fine. They can stay a little bit rougher. So here are our 3 ingredients to make the potato salad marinade. Let's start with frying the bacon. Don't burn the bacon, don't undercook the bacon, just get it nice and crunchy. Once the bacon is cooked, put it back into your little bowl and set it aside, because we want the pieces to maintain the crispy consistency. You don't need to clean the pan, just add some olive oil and add your onions and fry them on a medium-high heat until they are translucent to proceed with your marinade steps. Now is the time that you can add your broth to your translucent fried onions, and make sure to add 2 teaspoons of mustard as well to give it that nice potato salady flavor. Keep simmering the marinade until it gets a little bit thicker, and then take out your boiling potatoes. From here it's very simple, just peel all of your potatoes, slice them into decent pieces, and then you just put all the components you prepared before together. That means you will add the marinade, you will add the bacon, you will add the gherkins, and you will add some vinegar. Now everything is combined, just give it a good stir, toss it around, and then you are ready to try your delicious potato salad.
I'm going to try it now. Let's have a taste test. It's rich, it's acidic, it has a little sweet note to it because of the fried onions. The onions were just fried a little bit, like we don't want caramelized onions, just basically translucent onions. And I added a little bit of chives as well to just give it that nice onion flavor, and the bacon in there goes really well. If you're a vegetarian, just leave out the bacon or supplement it with something that you like that has a nice savory flavor. But yeah, that's basically how you make this potato salad. It's really good, and I recommend you to try this recipe at home. The secret why this potato salad is so creamy is because the starch of the potatoes soaked up all of this marinade that I made with the mustard, the stock, the onions. and it really turns into this creamy, nice consistency. You can even hear that. Listen. Oh yeah. So the winner of our competition is Umara. Umara, please get in touch with me and I will send you the Ethereum straight away. And if you like that video, please make sure to follow us on YouTube, leave us a like, and you can check out my Instagram channel as well. We will keep posting new stuff, new recipes, new projects, and you will enjoy it. See you at the next one.